So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add numbering bullet points here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, go to the top left-hand side of your screen and go to the Home tab right here. Press on Home, then slide this bar all the way over right here. So beside bullet points, there actually is an option right here, sort of in between mailings, and review right below, which there is a bunch of different numbers here for numbering. So if you were to go ahead and press on that, it'll then make bullet points that are numbered from 1 all the way to whenever you stop. So for example, if you want to just type in the word, I'll just type in the word A. I'll press on return. The next one's going to be 2. So I'll just type in B, return, C, return, D, whatever the case may be. You can press it again. Now, if you want to end it, just press on return one more time. And if you want to restart it, press the numbers right here, and it's going to restart the numbering from where you left off. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple. This is how to have numbering bullet points here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.